Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MP530 printer to your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP530 support. Go ahead and search for that. And the best result should say Canon support for PIXMA MP530. Should be a Canon domain here. Open that up. And then on this page should have the printer over here, as well as other helpful links over here on the right. We're interested in scrolling down underneath downloads and selecting software and drivers. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the item in here that says the My Printer. Go ahead and select download for that. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. Close out of the web browser, and then you want to proceed with the installation guide that's presented on the screen here. And we can create a desktop shortcut if we want, and you should be good to go. So if you're still having a problem, you can open up the utility, and by selecting diagnose and repair printer, it should walk you through different troubleshooting guides if you're still having an issue. But other than that, you should be good to go. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.